Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Crypto ZX holders. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are showing absolutely amazing amount of support. Continue supporting, and of course, you will see a continuation of these daily updates. But, looking across the board, this update right here, whether you hold, SUI, Quant, Pepe, Cardano, Solana, whatever the case may be here, you do want to watch this video till the end because, what we've been discussing over the last few days, a lot of people used to laugh at me at these, certain things that, I was talking about. That actually became a reality yesterday. So, of course, if you're looking at it from a weekly perspective, we're seeing a lot of red across the board. Market has seen a little bit of a relief within its price right now, but we're going to be talking about what really is next. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So pretty much looking across the board, as you can see this for yourself, we are seeing a complete sea of red in a grand scheme of things. Yes, the last 24 hours has seen a little bit of a bounce, but it is what it is, right? We are still down quite substantially. And look at this, Bitcoin falls below $88,000 for the first time since November 2024. Officially enters bear market territory. $300 billion of market cap has been erased in crypto in 24 hours. I wouldn't really say, bear market started, but indeed, it was quite a large drop within, Bitcoin, which of course has had an impact on the broader market. I know a lot of people ignore, when I talk about the Bitcoin dominance and stuff, but you're noticing something very interesting playing out again. Dominance went up to 62.3%, guys, 62.3%. And a few hours ago, you have seen the dominance pulling down yet again. Clear manipulation occurring right in front of us right now. So a major drop within the dominance, while Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a bounce, as you can see this for yourself, which of course is having a positive impact on the broader altcoin market. You can see this for yourself. We're actually seeing a lot of coins being in green. But in the grand scheme of things, as I've stated to you guys before, the dominance is still at 61.02%, which of course is quite high in terms of, the percentage and where it is. So of course, you don't really want to see the dominance sitting this high. So of course, this is something that you shouldn't be ignoring at all. But the fact that, Bitcoin did see a little bit of a bounce right now is, the major catalyst. But first and foremost, I want you guys to take a look at something. We dropped to $86,000 price, almost at the $85,000 I've been talking about constantly. Literally every single update, since we've been talking about Bitcoin hovering within the 23.6, I've been talking about if we drop below the 23.6 and are unable to close back in the 23.6, be prepared for moves like this. And we actually got that move because yesterday, if you watch my market analysis update, I said, we want to see this close back in. If not, market is going to tank. And here we have it, almost 85,000. I would say pretty much, our target, we were speaking about almost got retested. Obviously, a lot of support around that range. We have seen a little bit of a bounce as to be expected, of course, major extreme fear and greed. As far as the fear and greed index goes, we're seeing so much fear within the crypto space, which of course is going to bring in, whales to kind of, pump up the market a little bit. But in a grand scheme of things, guys, we're nowhere near where we need to be. Yes, we have seen a little bit of a bounce, which could be a dead cat bounce, for, literally, right now, it's not where you need to see it. Obviously, we want to see it in the 23.6 at the latest. But of course, in a grand scheme of things, people calling this a bear market, come on, guys. You really want to look at it from a realistic standpoint. We are still in the 38.2. Obviously, made our way down to 86K. Obviously, that chance is still there depending on where we close. So, I'm not getting overly excited at the fact that you have seen the market bounce a little bit. I still do believe 85K is on the table, potentially even making our way down to the $81,000 to $80,000 support line. I still do believe these could be some of the targets that we could be looking out for. Of course, institutional interest, a lot of people are going to be talking about that, but remember outflows. We need to be paying attention to outflows. But in a grand scheme of things, smart money is accumulating Bitcoin. There's no question about that. They're accumulating Bitcoin as much as possible, because they understand where Bitcoin is going in the long haul. This is nothing new. This is not the first time we've seen, Bitcoin, pulling down. It's always been the case. I've been in the space literally since 2016. I've shared this with you guys quite a bit, and I've been through roller coaster of rides. And it's been a long journey. And right now, in the grand scheme of things, Bitcoin is still looking quite well. But right now, obviously having an impact quite a large one, specifically on altcoins due to dominance being so high. But right now, you don't want to be getting overly excited if you are obviously seeing some gains right now. You don't want to be jumping around just yet because we want Bitcoin, the king of the market, to get back into 23.6, and of course dominance to start pulling down, which of course is something I want you guys to keep an eye out on. Of course, your boy will keep you guys covered. If you want to see more of these daily market analysis updates, do let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.